Hello folks, today we are going to see how to install Git on Ubuntu Linux. Git is a popular source code version controlling system. So let's get started. Let's execute the first command to get the latest stable version of Git. Here provide system user operating system password. Now execute the command to install the Git. Let's check the Git version. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos.